In this video, we're going over how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy A11 so you can use it with any carrier. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're going to show you how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy A11 so you can use it with just about any carrier. First thing you want to do is go to your phone app, and you're going to go to, make sure you're on the dialer screen here, and you're going to type in *#06#. That's going to show us our IMEI. You won't need to write down this top number right here. We're going to need it later on in the process. Next, we're going to go home, and you're going to go to Google Chrome. You're going to go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and you're going to fill out a few prompts. The first thing you want to do is select the manufacturer, and for this phone it's Samsung. Next, you're going to go down to Galaxy A11 right here. Tap unlock now. You'll have another screen full of prompts. We'll ask you to select the country you purchased the phone in and the carrier right here. So United States and Metro by T-Mobile or Metro PCS. Click next again. And then on this last screen, it will ask you to enter your contact information. So where you want your unlocking pin and instructions sent to. So you're gonna put in your IMEI that we got in the first step of the video, full name, email address, and your contact information. And then when you tap order now, it will take you to the final page where you can pay. Now if I swipe up, this is the price for what it will cost to unlock the phone here. So normally $79, but they're only charging $65. You always get a discount, and it has a 5 to 25 day turnaround time for delivery, which it tends to be a lot faster than this, but they normally try to account for extra time. So anyway, that's the main step there. So you would go through and pay, and then wait until you get your either unlocking email or your text message. It's going to have your unlocking pin and the instructions. Now, a few things I want to point out here. One of the reasons I love this site is because they have contact support you can talk to immediately. So they have a web person you can talk to. They also have a toll-free number, or they have a text line as well that you can text. So if you ever have any issues in trying to unlock the phone, you can go around the website and speak to someone to try to get it resolved. And if you can't fix it, then they will refund your money. So you're covered and you don't have to worry about losing your money. So from this point, you can't really do much until they email you back with your unlocking instructions. But I'm gonna fast forward to as if you had gotten that email and you're ready to finish the unlock. The next step you need to do is take your SIM tool like this and find the SIM card tray, which is going to be on the left side of the phone here. And we're going to pop out the SIM card, and we're going to put in our new SIM card for the company that we want to use the phone for. In this case, I want to use the phone for T-Mobile. So I'm going to take out the SIM card and put in the new SIM card here. Now, in some cases, when you change the SIM card, the phone will automatically restart. In some cases, it won't, so just keep that in mind. Now, at this point, you do have to reference your email from the unlocking company. It will have the final instructions. Oh, look, and there it is. It's asking to restart the phone. So the phone's going to restart. When you get the email from the unlocking company, it will have the final steps of what you need to do to finish the unlock. The process does change from time to time, so we ask you to just wait till you get that email and then follow those final instructions. And if you have any issues, just go back to the website for any extra assistance. So hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.